Hi guys, I'm Josh and welcome to Indian Pencil Drawing. Hope you're all doing good. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the basic face construction and how to draw a face. So I have lined up few videos that can cover up how to draw a face, how to shade the drawings, and how to draw hair, beard, mustache, and how to apply these things on your own drawings. So as you all know, I can't do this all together in a video. So I'm going to upload it in episode wise. So I have created a playlist here and you can check out there. So I'm uploading each tutorial in episode wise. So I'm considering this as a third episode. So please keep a follow up for better understanding. So without any delay, let's get started. So before getting into this video, let me show you the pencil I'm using. So it's an 2B pencil, but you can always use anything you are comfortable with, because we may need to rub off the unwanted lights later. So I'm going to draw a basic front view and the side view of the face construction. So we are going to begin by drawing a circle. It might be difficult for some of you to draw free-handed, but try to hold the grip and draw using your free hand. Better the circle, better the face construction. So now I'm going to simply mark the center point and draw vertical and horizontal lines across the center point. Now I'm going to split each semicircle with a point. Please don't judge, just mark the point where you need it. So now let me walk through each of these lines. So the first line indicates mark of the hairline, and the off line between the center line indicates the line for the point of the eye, eyebrows and ears. This line here indicates bottom mark of the nose, and the point between indicates lips, and the last one is for the chin. So now let's join the circle with two vertical lines starting from the hairline point and finish it at the nose line point. Now again draw a diagonal line from the nose point to the chin point to get the face construction. So let's give some details now. Ear starts between the center line and the off line and completes at the nose line point. Let's draw a inward section lines between the center point which directs us to the nose and eyes and the eyebrows. So the eyebrow always stays above the center line, and eyebrow goes to the fears of the face, and it will be effective if you can bring it down bit rounded. So the mark below the nose is where the lip starts. Just draw a rough outline. Now draw a diagonal line from the inner side of the ear point to the chin, and that indicates the jaw mark. So jaw mark is so much important to find the cheeks. So now let's give some details on the face. The airline always stays within the circle and not outside the circle, and always it depends onto the picture you draw. So now I'm going to mark these details little more darker for your better understanding. So let's start with the ears, and this is the basic face construction to draw any face, but it always depends on the picture you draw and what kind of angle you are drawing. So this is a straight face, and it will be almost easy to draw this kind of method, but it takes lot of time, lot of patience. You need to practice a lot to get the face construction straight. So to make the side view, it's just the same construction, but the structure changes. So I'm just duplicating the lines across the other side. So started with the circle. Now draw a small curvy line from the center line to the chin point, and that is what the jaw makes. So just as a front view, there's a little more small circle inside the circle, because in the side view this small circle will be the point for the eyes, nose and ears. So the side view of the face roughly looks like this. Eye would drop here with a small bend and the nose would go out bit from the circle and the lips goes inward onto the central part of the lips. In side view the chin doesn't comes directly to the center point. It vary according to the neck bend of the picture you draw. So now we can see where everything goes around. So now I'm going to draw the face little more darker. I know it's very hard to understand and realize the difference regarding the front view and side view of the face, but this is the basic construction for both front view and side view. I know the last part was little bit difficult, but this is the basic construction to draw any face. So for your better understanding, I got this picture of Paul Walker. So this picture is the best example for demonstrating you guys how to draw a basic face. So because this has the same line in the eyebrow, the nose and the chin marks. So let me demonstrate it to you. So first of all, decide yourself how big you need the picture. So I am using a 130 GSM A4 sheet and a 2H pencil. The drawing can go good or bad according to the center line you fix it. I hope you can see it, but it might be a bit harder to view the outlines. It's because I am using a 2H pencil. Now as I showed you in the face construction, split the lines accordingly and mark the points and draw the diagonal lines for the jaw marks. I always use the grid method, but this is the basic technique to draw any face. But I'm sure that this will be useful for all of you, but it takes time and practice to get the perfection. Just copy the points of the picture according to the line points marked on the paper. As I said earlier, the hairline always falls inside the head point, and in this picture, the angles of the portrait is straight and it has more details in it. So it will be helpful for me to explain you how to draw the realistic skins and the detailed marking on the drawings. So this is a rough outline and I always recommend you to use 2H or low range H pencils so that you can erase off the outline in case the drawing goes wrong. Once you are sure that the outline are sharp, you can start detailing the portrait. I'm pretty sure that you can get a basic outline. The one which I am using is a time lapse. I took almost an hour to complete this outline, and for your better understanding I am going to use a 2B pencil to darken the outline. There's a week gap for the next episode, so I recommend you to try this once and please comment your thoughts and suggestions. So in the next video I'll show you the detailed explanations for the realistic skin and how to make it more detailed. So as of now I'm wrapping up this tutorial. So in the next video I'll be showing how to highlight the eyes, nose and the lips parts. So as I said, we can't upload all together in a single video. So I'll be uploading in episode wise. So keep a follow up for a better understanding. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and if you like to watch more tutorials, please comment what kind of tutorials you would like to watch, and please subscribe to my channel. Also please share this video to your friends whoever is trying to learn how to draw. So other than that, that's it for this video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.